So I got this box. I believe, oh, shouldn't show that side, that's my address. I'm gonna try to do an opening unboxing. This. So I ordered a mystery Funko box from Chrono a couple days ago, about last week maybe. Oh, there's kind of my address. So let's see what we got. It was like 20 bucks, so let's see. Not looking so good. Not looking very good at all. We got a rocket with Groot. Rocket with Groot. Let me look this up real quick. Selling for $16, and I paid 26 for this. 25. Selling for 12. Selling for 25. 20. I mean, I didn't like lose a lot of money, but like, it's alright. What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. Now today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can beat Nike sneakers. The Nike sneakers has been just like destroying bots recently. It's not recently, it's been months since the Nike sneakers bot has been good. Since they pushed out an update basically where they completely bots. So now you have to go manual, but I'm going to show you guys how you can get past that and how to get shoes on Nike sneakers. So like I said before, you have not been able to run a bot on Nike sneakers in months, but I have found a way to combat this. Nobody knows about this. Like nobody at all actually knows about this except me. Did I tell anybody? I don't think I told anybody at all. Like not even anybody in my cook group or any of my friends. Now, I'm going to show you guys, but you have to pinky promise me you'll do one thing before I show you. Actually, I'm not going to show you unless you do this one thing. You have to like the video right now. Like right this second. I'll wait till you do it. Okay, thanks for liking the video. Now that you like the video, let's get on to the video. Why did I just say video 3 times in a row? Anyways, guys, let me show you how to beat Nike sneakers. There's one simple answer to this, and I'm going to show you right now. This is the answer. Like I'm holding the answer right in my hands right now. This is how I've been able to cook every single sneakers release that has ever been able to drop on the app. Okay, that might have been a lie, but I have gotten some shoes from Nike sneakers using this method. Now, what I'm about to tell you is probably very common sense and you might have already thought about it. I don't really know I don't have any idea, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it and how I have had success with it. So the very first thing you're gonna need is phones. Right now I have 3. I have about 7 phones that I use on Nike sneakers. The next requirement, let me go find these. Actually, they're right here. Now, if I show these on video, it's not gonna be very good. So I'm holding up credit cards right now, as you can see. I have credit cards, okay? I have multiple credit cards. I'm not gonna show these on camera because if I forget to edit it out, that's not gonna be good on my end. Anyways, if you didn't get what I was showing there, I was basically trying to show that you need multiple credit cards. So first off, you need multiple phones, multiple credit cards, and last but not least, you need multiple IP addresses. Now, Nike sneakers has found a way to combat bats. Did I just say combat bats? To combat bats. Oh, I did it again. Now, what they do is they only allow you to have 3 devices per IP address. Now, they only allow 3, but I would only recommend having 1 because if you have over more than 1, it's pretty likely you're not gonna get the shoe. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Just listen. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get the shoes. So first off, you take your phones. You make 3 different, well, however many phones you have for this like, for the sake of this video, let's just say you have like 3 phones. You make 3 different accounts on each phone. You log in. Now the phones don't actually have to have service. Like actually, this one right here doesn't have service. Neither does this one. So this is like my main service phone. Anyways, you make 3 different accounts. You put in 3 different credit cards for each account. Now this is a very, 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 very important step. And if you don't do the step, you're not gonna get the shoes. You have to jig your address, Nike sneakers. I apologize if that was loud. I just need to like make the point come across so like you understood, you know what I mean? But you jig your address. Jig your address. Basically what you're gonna do is let's say your address is 321 Test Road. You're gonna change it to 321 Test RD. 321 Test RD comma. Nope, not comma, period, sorry. And then RT test, nope. And then 123 test, just road, like plain road, how you'd spell it, you know? And that's how you jig your address. Now let's move on to how you actually cop whenever the draw is happening. So, So let's say that a Nike sneakers draw is happening right now. It's the Off-White Air Max 90s. Let's just say that, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do is, you're gonna wanna take this phone. Now this phone has the Wi-Fi, this has service on it. You're gonna wanna go to your phone, swipe off the Wi-Fi. Let's say if you're at home, you swipe off the Wi-Fi. Now, you're gonna wanna enter on this phone, the one that has LTE. You're gonna enter that in the draw. Make sure it's not on Wi-Fi. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi turned off on the phone and you enter the draw on that. Once you've done that, you can turn the Wi-Fi back on, it doesn't matter. Now, this phone, this is the phone that does not have service. You're gonna wanna get on your Wi-Fi, right? So type the password in and stuff, blah, blah, blah. Get on the Wi-Fi, enter the draw, bang. Now this phone doesn't have service either. In my case, I have three different services, routers. I have 3 different networks. I have a 2.4 gigahertz. I have a 5.0 gigahertz, and I have 60 gigahertz or like that, megahertz. I don't know, something like that. So what I do is I put this phone on the 2.4. I put this phone on the 5, and since they have different IP addresses, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I don't know if they have different IP addresses. I just wanted to say that so I sound smart, but like I'm pretty sure they do. So you should be fine. If you don't have multiple networks on your Wi-Fi, you should be able to just do 2 on that. Or if you really want to, you can put 2 on your LTE and 1 on your Wi-Fi. So like you can put like your local hotspot on for your phone. You're like the LTE hotspot. You put that on, you put it on this phone, and then you join this phone, and then this phone you put on the Wi-Fi. It's up to you. Just make sure you don't have 3 on the same network. 2 could be all right. I know I said don't have 2 early in the video, but just disregard that. Find some way to put these 3 phones into the sneakers draw without being on the same IP address. You're gonna have to get creative. You might have to use your neighbor's Wi-Fi. You might have to use your LTE hotspot, whatever you want to do. Now, what you do from here is you wait. And having 3 phones, there's not very high of a chance that you're gonna get the shoes. I'm gonna be honest. Like I've only copped like a couple pairs of shoes having 3 phones. I've ran 7 phones before and haven't copped. All right, guys. I don't know if I said this or not, but you can do this for up to like unlimited amount of phones. Honestly, you just have to have different Wi-Fi networks, so you have different IP addresses, but you can essentially do it with unlimited amount of phones. It's kind of crazy. So that's your best chance at copying. And also, if you don't have any phones, you can get like cheap iPhones on eBay for like 50 bucks. So like that's what I would advise doing. You might be able to get like Android for like 40. I don't really know how much they're going for, but just search it up on eBay and you might be able to get a really good deal. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more content. Check out some of my previous videos. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.